Stop paying for AI video generators. Seriously, what I'm about to show you will make you wonder why you ever paid for credits in the first place. I found 3 genuinely free tools, not free trials, not limited demos, actual unlimited AI video generators that professionals are using right now. One creates infinite consistent videos, other produces 10-minute long form content with audio included, and the third, it's a secret weapon for cinematic camera control that will make your videos look like they cost thousands to produce. This is the video you wish you found sooner. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss game-changing tools like this. Now, the tool number 1 is called Meta AI, and this one is actually on another level. Now, for creating these videos, first we're gonna create a bunch of the images with the help of the Google AI Studio and Nano Banana Pro. Now, here on Google AI Studio, make sure that you click on Explore Nano Banana Pro, then go here to Nano Banana Pro, and if you select here images, you can then down below here select Nano Banana or Gemini 2.5 Flash image. Just click on it, and for these images, we're going to select here aspect ratio of 16:9. So just like this, and here I have one specific prompt. By the way, if you want to take your AI video game to the next level, I've packed over 200 ready-to-use prompts into my Nano Banana AI prompt guide. These are the exact prompts I use to get consistent professional results every single time. Link is in the description below. And for example, this is one of the prompts. You can see that it's quite sophisticated and super detailed. And you can see here a minimalist vaporwave landscape set at a remote mountaintop observatory under a deep indigo sky. So this is my super detailed and super sophisticated prompt, which you guys can also get in my ebook, which I will also put a link for in the video description down below. Now, once you have it here, click on run and Nano Banana will do everything for us. So this specific image here, it will make it so much better. And you can already see it here. It looks super clean. And now you can click on download button to get this image. And now let's continue here with the second one as well, which is this prompt right here. A modern Porsche 911 Carrera with rear bar light parked on an empty coastal road in northern Spain at 2 a.m. So you can also see that this one is quite sophisticated, and let's click here on run. And just in a second, I will show you what these 3 AI video tools can actually do. And here we already have this image. It looks quite nice, as you can see. And now let's click here on the download button. And right now let's create one more image as well. And this time I will go with this prompt right here, a clean vaporwave sunset where the sun is a mathematically perfect circle glowing soft lavender. And here, let's click on run to get the third image for our video generators. Make sure that you watch until the end because the third video generator is absolutely insane. And here we already have the third image as well. So right now, let's click on download button to save it to my computer. And let's go here to Meta AI. Now, make sure that you create an account on this platform. And now let's click here, create a video from my photo. And here I'm going to ask it animate this car and make it super cool. And now let's click here to send it, and right now Meta AI will start generating the videos. Now, Meta AI is super cool because you can also see here this quick preview of how it's actually generating the videos. And here we already have the video from Meta AI. As I said before, this is completely free to use, by the way. And let's click here on it to see the animation. And you can see how really nice it actually looks. It's super realistic, and the best part, you can also add music to it as well as restyle it if you want to, and you can also save it to your computer. Now, just go here to the top right corner, click on the download button, and this will save this video to your computer. So this is just one of the free AI video generators. Now let's go to the second one. The second AI video generator, it's called CapCut, and you can see here that you can right now create videos using this specific tool. And here you will have to also type in your idea to start the video generation. And it's absolutely insane. And this tool also offers Nano Banana Pro, as you can see here inside the AI design. And if you click here, you can also start generating images on this platform using Nano Banana Pro. Now, this one is also totally free, and make sure to sign in and create an account on it. And then here I will describe my video idea. I will put in this prompt. It's absolutely massive. And you can see here a Porsche 911 GT3 RS centered in a rain-washed Barcelona backstreet at 9. It's super cool prompt here. And now for the visual style, I think I'm just gonna go here with this one, realistic film. And for the voice, I will use, for example, this one straight away, MS Labibi. And then for the duration of the video, I will go with 1 minute long video and the aspect ratio of 16:9. So this is pretty much it. And then the one thing left to do here is to click on the generate button, and this will pretty much create your video from one single prompt. You can see here that the first option is creating the script, creating voiceover, and then also generating media. Now let's just wait for this to finish, and then I will show you the result. Now, getting results like this comes down to how you prompt these tools. That's why I created the Nano Banana AI prompt guide, 200 plus battle-tested prompts that will save you hours of trial and error. Grab it from the link below and start creating like a pro immediately. And here we already have this really cool video. Pretty much we have here this script, and every single scene here is quite detailed, and the full video is right here. So if you want to go here, you can just click on this button to see the full screen preview. And now let's take a look here at this video. Now, here you can also edit the video if you want. For example, you can change here the voiceover. You can also change here the image or regenerate it. And here you can also go to the scenes. You can go here to the media. If you want to add the background music, you can also go here to the elements, add some captions, and then here also have the music templates as well. Now, once you are happy here with your own project, you can also go here to the export, and this will pretty much export your video. And you can change here the frame rate. I will go with 60 frames per second. The resolution, you can go up to 4K, as you can see. And then also the quality here, you can go with high, recommended, or even faster export. I will go with the recommended one. And then the format is MP4 or MOV. Now, once you are happy with the export settings, just click here on the export, and the CapCut should export the video. And now let's talk about the third one. And this one is called Vheer.com. Free unlimited AI image and video studio. Make sure that you are signed in. Here I'm signed in with my Google account. And then here on top, you will find plenty of the AI tools. Now, specifically, we are looking here at image to video. You can click on this one, and then here click on generate video from image. And now here, let's upload the image I generated before with Nano Banana. So this one right here, and then also I'm going to put in here this super cool prompt. And then for the camera prompts, you can also add them if you want. For example, you can click here on this light bulb. Camera sweeps in a slow, smooth 360-degree motion around the subject, maintaining cinematic composition and lighting. So I think this is good enough. And then here we have the video format. I will select here MP4, and then video length is 5 seconds. Video frame rate is 24, and video dimension is 768p. Now here I'm going to select quality model, and down below here you can see that this one is indeed unlimited and free. So here let's click on generate to see the actual result. Now here it is. I think it looks super cool and it looks super realistic here. And you can also download it if you want by clicking here on this button, and this will save this video on your computer. Now, which one do I personally think among all of these three is the best? In my personal opinion, Meta AI is one of the best here because it looks super realistic. The only drawback is that the video is only 5 seconds long, because this second one from CapCut can actually generate you 10 minutes long videos. However, I will also put a link for every single one of the tools in the video description down below, so you guys can check it out. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you found these tools valuable, imagine having 200 plus professional grade prompts at your fingertips. The Nano Banana AI prompt guide is your shortcut to mastering AI video creation. It is in the description. Go grab it now while you're thinking about it. Now, with that said, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next video.